Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So, meron tayong quick unboxing. So, nakita nyo, this is a Nike shoe. So, yan yung box. Recycled. And, ayan. So, it's a Nike Court Vision Low. Size 7.5 ako, 7 or 7.5, and walang paper na kasama for whatever reason. So it's a classic black and white shoe. So makita mo parang recycled material yung sole nya, and ayan, that's the upper sole. White shoes. That's the insole. Madilim, sorry. Paano ba? Ayun. And then the Nike tab on the tongue. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Ayan. So that's the back part. So simple lang, pang daily na sapatos ko siya. So yun, wala na kasi akong flats na sapatos, na shoes. Madami ako ibang shoes, pero I think ito na yung pang araw-araw ko lang. So hindi sale nung nabili ko siya. This is like 2,895 sa nike.com/ph. Yan. Tapos nakita niyo yung unboxing namin neto with my wife Rhea. I'll put a link on the description or dyan sa upper right hand corner so you can see the unboxing. So free shipping yan kapag 7,500 and up yung bibili nyo. So we bought 4 shoes. One is a Nike Court Vision na all white, and then this is the second, and then antayin nyo yung unboxing nung dalawa pa na shoes. So this is our quick unboxing for today. Nike Court Vision. Yan. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Pa-like to help the video sa algorithm ng YouTube, of course, para ma-share pa siya sa ibang tao, viewers. Pa-subscribe na rin. Of course, may super thanks din akong available dyan. You can click on super thanks. That will really help the channel so we can create more content. And of course, leave a comment if you like the shoe, feedback sa shoe kung meron kayong ganito, or if you want any other content that you'd like to see. That's it. Thank you. Bye.